Very good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Okay, now in last video we have summarized the lake Isle of Innisfree. Okay, now before going to start this poem, I am reading this blue box. So pay attention. This well-known poem explores the poet's longing for the peace and tranquility of Innisfree, a place where he spent a lot of time as a boy. This poem is a lyric. Okay, this poem is a lyric. As William Butler Yeats, he is very easy to understand, but his concepts are very deep. Okay, now see. I will arise and go now, and go to the Innisfree. As we have already seen, Innisfree is an island at Ireland. Okay, now poet wants to go at a Innisfree. It is because it's a very calm and cool place. Okay, now he is fed up for this city life. He is fed up for the crowd from the rushing. Okay, I will arise and go now, and go to the Innisfree, and a small cabin build there. What I will do there? I will build there a small cabin. Small cabin here it means a small hut. Okay, of clay. The cabin will be made by clay and wattles made. Wattles made it means natural things. 9 bin rows will I have there. I will row 9 bin rows. Are you getting here? As we have already seen in the summary, he will row or he will bow 9 bin rows. Bin rows, you know, bin, that vegetable. Okay. Next, I will have there a hive for honeybee. I will have there a hive for honeybee, and live alone in the bee-loud glade. Glade here it means open space, and I wanted to be that bee-loud. It means whenever the bee will like that, bee will humming, I wanted to listen or I wanted to hear that honey bees sound. Okay, so I wanted to go at Innisfree, and these two things I will do there. I am going to do there. Now see, in second stanza, and I shall have some peace there. P-E-A-C-E, peace. Okay, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings. Okay, I want that peace in this rushing life, in this in this city life. I am not able to hear the song of cricket. You know, cricket here it means an insect which make a noise at the time of night. Okay, cricket here it means its pronunciation. See the pronunciation. It is not cricket. Spelling is same, but it is not cricket. It's cricket. It is because this is a small insect who sings at night only, and who sing in a very natural tone. So many people like to hear that, and the poet also wants to hear that, the sound or the song of the cricket. But what another thing? For peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning. Vales of the morning, it means when the sun rises. Okay, at that time I want to hear this cricket sound at night, and I want to that drop, whenever the drop the drop are falling from the wells of the morning. Their midnights all a glimmer, and a noon a purple glow. How are the midnights there? They are glimmer. Glimmer, it means they are shining. Okay, but natural shine is there. Here you have to pay attention. You have to see that, or you have to confirm that gleaming here it means not artificial lights. For example, in cities, the cities are gleaming but with artificial lights. Okay, but at Innisfree the atmosphere is gleaming but not a single artificial lights are there. The midnights all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow. Okay, and how are the noons? The noons are purple, they are glowing. And evenings full of linnets wings. Linnet is one kind of small brown grey bird. Linnet is a small brown and grey bird with a short beak. It has a very short beak. Okay, and evenings are full of linnets wings. Now we have finished here 2 stanza. Now I am going to read third one. Okay, so pay attention. I will arise and go now, for always night and day. I will arise and go now. Now I am fed up for this city life. Now I want peace. So for day and night I want to go there. I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. I hear the lake water lapping with a low sounds. The lake water is lapping with a low sound. Yes, lake water is there, but sound is very less, sound is very nice, and it's low. By the shore, while I stand on the roadway or pavements grey, I hear it in the deep heart's core. While I am stand on the pavement, pavement, a roadside place. Okay, I am standing on the pavement grey, but still now he is comparing. If I am standing at the pavement in the city at a crowded place, I can't hear my heartbeat. Okay, I even also can't hear my heartbeat. But here, if I am standing at a pavement in the Innisfree, I hear it in the deep heart's core. I can hear this in the deep heart's core. It means by heart, at the bottom of my heart, I can hear this sound. Okay, so in these 3 stanzas we have finished poem, but you have to write this poem in your homework, in your notebook. These 3 stanza with the poet's name you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, and again I am telling you the main points of the Innisfree is an island in Ireland. Okay, wattles it means twisted sticks for making fences and walls. Twisted sticks. Okay, he want to make his cabin or hut by the wattles and clay. Clay, wet soil. Okay, glade it means clearing open space. Glade, it's a clearing open space. Linnet, a small brown grey bird with a short beak. Linnet, it means a small and grey bird with a short beak. Okay, now see, I will also send you your classwork, and first you have to write this poem in your notebook as a homework, Okay, these 3 stanzas you will write. You also have to write these words, these glossary words, minimum 3 times, and you have to learn it. I will ask you at any time. Okay, so take care of you.